What is sustainable development? Sustainable development is a holistic approach that aims to improve the quality of life of people today while protecting the planet for future generations. It is based on an idea of meeting present needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet theirs. This means using natural resources responsibly, reducing waste, and protecting ecosystem. Sustainable development involves three key dimensions: environmental, economic, and social. Environmental sustainability focuses on preserving natural habitats, reducing pollution, and addressing climate change. Economic sustainability promotes long-term economic growth, fair trade, and responsible consumption. Social sustainability ensures that all people have access to basic needs like education, healthcare, and equal opportunities. These three dimensions are interconnected and must be addressed together for true sustainability. Governments, businesses, and individuals all play a role in achieving sustainable development. By working together, we can create a more just and healthy and balanced world for everyone.
Core principles of sustainable development. Here are the core principles that guide sustainable development. Intergenerational equity. This principle emphasizes fairness between current and future generations. It means using resources wisely today so that future generations can also enjoy a healthy planet and access to the same resources. Number 2. Integration of the three pillars. Sustainable development requires the integration of environmental sustainability, protecting natural ecosystems; economic sustainability, promoting stable, inclusive economies; social sustainability, ensuring social justice, equity, and well-being. 3. Precautionary principle. When there is uncertainty about environmental or health impacts of an activity or policy, precaution should be taken. It's better to prevent harm than to deal with the consequences later. Number 4. Polluter pays principle. Those who produce pollution should bear the cost of managing it to prevent damage to human health or the environment. 5. Public participation. Communities should be involved in decisions that affect their lives and environment. Participation ensures transparency, accountability, and better outcomes. 6. Global and local responsibilities. Think globally, act locally. Sustainable development acknowledges that actions at the local level can have global effects. Therefore, people should consider global impacts even while making local decisions. 7. Equity and social justice. It aims to reduce poverty and inequality by providing equal opportunities and access to resources and services for all, especially the marginalized.
For the three dimensional of sustainable development, first is the environmental sustainability. For example, a city implements a waste segregation and recycling program to reduce landfill use and promote resource reuse. Second is economic sustainability. Example, a local cooperative supports farmers with fair trade practices, ensuring stable income while encouraging sustainable farming methods. The third one is social sustainability. Example, a government provides free access to education and healthcare, helping reduce inequality and improve quality of life for all citizens.
Importance of sustainable development. Sustainable development is incredibly important because it balances environmental, economic, and social needs both for present and future generations. First, environmental protection. It helps reduce pollution, deforestation, and climate change impacts. Encourage renewable energy use and conservation of the biodiversity. Promote sustainable agriculture and responsible nature resource use. Number 2, economic stability. Encourage long-term economic growth without depleting natural resources. Create green jobs and sustainable industries. Reduce costs through energy efficiency and waste reduction. Number 3, social equity. Aims to reduce poverty and improve access to basic needs like clean water, food, healthcare, and education. Promote inclusive growth and equal opportunities. Support fair working conditions and community empowerment. Number 4, future generations. Ensure that resources are available for future generations to meet their needs. Encourage thinking long-term rather than focusing on short-term profits or gains. Number 5, global responsibility. Encourage international cooperation to tackle global issues like climate change, pollution, and inequality. Align with the UN Sustainable Development Goals, which provide a roadmap for a better world by 2030.
Real-world applications show how global issues and concepts impact daily life, society, and international affairs. These include globalization through trade and migration, environmental efforts like climate agreements, human rights advocacy, practicing global citizenship, and the role of international organizations in global challenges. Example: an overseas Filipino worker is someone from the Philippines who works in another country, often to earn better wages. They send part of their income back to their families in the Philippines, which helps supports their loved ones and contributes to the country's economy. This shows globalization because it involves the movement of people, jobs, and money across national borders.
Now that we know the basics of a sustainable development, let's talk about an important part: stakeholders. Sustainable development can happen with just one group. It needs teamwork from different parts of society. So who are these stakeholders? First, governments lead the way. They create and enforce rules to support sustainability, like taxes on population or reward for using clean energy. Second is businesses have a big role through the way they make and sell products can help protect the environment, like using less waste or switching to clean energy. Then, NGOs, non-governmental organizations, help by raising awareness, supporting communities, and pushing for action when others fall behind. Next, citizens and communities that us make a difference through our daily choices and by speaking up through voting or joining causes. Lastly, schools and universities also help by doing research and teaching people how to protect the planet. In short, everyone has a part to play. By working together, we can make sustainable development a reality.
The link
with the SDGs in sustainability refers to how action, policies, or initiatives aimed to promoting sustainability align with or contribute to achieving the Sustainable Development Goals set by the United Nations. The SDGs are global blueprint of 17 interconnected goals designed to achieve a better and more sustainable for all by 2030. They cover areas like poverty, education, clean energy, climate action, and more. Here are the links with the SDGs. The first one is climate action, reducing emission and promoting green practice. The next one is life below water, protecting marine resource. The next one is decent work and economic growth, promoting long-term economic development without harming to environment. The next one is industry, innovation, and infrastructure, supporting sustainable industry and recently infrastructure. The next one is no poverty, ensuring basic needs are met for all. Next is good health and well-being, promoting a healthy society. Next is quality education, building knowledge and capacity for sustainability. Next is gender equality, creating inclusive and fair opportunities.
Next, the future of sustainable development looks toward balancing economic growth, environmental protection, and social inclusion to meet the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Key trends shaping in its future include: number 1, green technologies, advancement in renewable energy, electric transportation, and sustainable agriculture. 2, a circular economy, reducing waste through recycling and responsible production. 3, climate action, global collaboration to reduce carbon emissions and adapt to climate change. 4, inclusive growth, ensuring marginalized communities benefits from development. 5, smart cities, urban planning that incorporates sustainability, technology, and quality of time. Example, the Netherlands Sustainable Urban Planning. The city of Amsterdam integrates green roofs, bike fares, in infrastructure, and energy efficient housing into its development plan.